Hello. Now we continue act number 2, scene number 3, and we have been discussing how Cassio is ill-treated by Iago by providing drinks. His plan is to make him a troublesome character in the eyes of Othello, so that he may be dismissed from the post of lieutenant. And now, how this is going to happen, let us wait and see. Cassio telling Iago and Mondano, very well, then you must not think I am drunk. After all the trouble, what happened now, Mondano is there, all other people are there. Now Cassio tell you need not worry about my drinking. I have taken only a small, peg of water. So that is not a problem. But mind you, today night there are so many other things to happen and we have to be very cautious. Mondano, to the platform, masters, come, let us set the watch. Mondano is in charge of all other areas, watchful guards, and Mondano tell, let us go to the platform. Platform means a terrace. Let us go to the terrace and see. Masters, come, let us see, let us watch. Let us watch means let us guard. Now Iago telling, you see this fellow is gone before. He is a soldier fit to stand by Caesar. Now Cassio leaving that time, Iago reporting to Mondano, you see this man, he is a very good soldier. Cassio is a very good soldier and he can be even assistant to Caesar, Julius Caesar. Give the direction and to be his voice. It is his virtue to be equinox, the one long has the other. It is pity of him I fear, trust Othello put him. Our Othello, our master, has a high opinion about this man. Probably that may be the reason Othello made him a lieutenant. Now you see, he is a great man of honesty, people say, and you must not forget it. I fear the trust of Othello put on him. Othello totally trusts him. On some odd time of infirmity will shake this island. Means what? If Cassio is not given charge by Othello, this island would have been a different place. Because he is an honest man, because he is a very courageous soldier, and he will do. That is why lieutenant post is given to him. Mondano, is he often this? Mondano asking, is he often drinking? Iago, to evermore the prologue to sleep. Iago adding more and more attributes. Okay, he will drink only before sleeping. ഉറങ്ങാൻ പോണേക്കാളും മുൻപ് രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ആയിട്ട് ആപ്പിറ്റൈസർ ആയിട്ട് കഴിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മാർഗമുണ്ട്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൺലി പ്രോഗ്ലോഗ് ടു സ്ലീപ്പ് വിത്തൗട്ട് ടേക്കിംഗ് 1 or 2 pegs of liquor. He cannot sleep. Iago reporting, he will watch the horologe at double set. If he takes 1 or 2 pegs, he will watch the whole place in a very vigilant manner. If you drink rock, not a cradle, Mondano, it were well the general were put in the mind of it. Mondano asking Iago, is it known to Othello? ഇത് ഓതല്ലോന്ന് അറിയാമോ ഇവൻ ഇങ്ങനെ കഴിക്കുന്ന കാര്യം? Perhaps he is not his good nature, praises the virtue appear of Cassio, looks not his evils, is not true. Iago, Cassio going in this way, whether Othello known about him in this manner. This time enter Roderigo. You know Roderigo was summoned to Cyprus with the recommendation of Iago only to follow Desdemona, and Roderigo is spending money too much for our Iago. Iago in the mind, Oh, now, Rodrigo, I pray you after the lieutenant go. Why, Rodrigo, you are coming here? You go behind Cassio and make some troubles. Then I told you, no, this is the only way to catch. Then Rodrigo goes, oh, it is a great pity that noble Moore has had such a place in his own second with our novice in crafty infirmity. It were an honest action to say to the Moore, can we report all this matter to our Othello the Moore? Our general, the governor of our country, what is going to happen? Iago, not I for this island. I am not ready now. I do love Cassio well, would do much. Look, very, very indirect presentation. What Iago says, I love Cassio too much, so I will never stand against him. But actually, he is the man doing all these things. That is to be kept in notice. To cover him of his evils, but what noise Cassio driving to Rodrigo. Cassio zoons, you rogue, you rascal. Cassio got angry with Rodrigo, what our Iago wanted. And Rodrigo and Cassio began to fight each other. Mondeno, what is the matter, Lieutenant? A knave teach my duty. Look, a knave here. Our Rodrigo began to quarrel with Cassio. And Cassio, in his lieutenant post, very bold, began to attack Rodrigo. And Mondeno asking, what is the trouble? Then Cassio reporting, a bloody man came to teach my duty. എൻ്റെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി എന്താണെന്ന് ഒരുത്തം പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ വന്നു. അവന് ഞാൻ ഒരു ഇടി വെച്ച് കൊടുത്തു, മണ്ടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു കുത്തു കൊടുത്തു. But I will beat him knave to his wicker bottle. Rodrigo, beat me? എന്നെ അടിച്ചു? Dost thou parrot rogue stupid? Parrot means rogue stupid. Ding, ding. തലമണ്ടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു കൊട്ടു കൊടുത്തു. Mondeno, good lieutenant, pray sir, hold your hand. Mondeno says, hold your hand, stop this stubbish business. Cassio, let me go, sir. I will knock you over the mazzard. If you come against me further, I will change your shape. Get out of my seat. Cassio reporting. Mondeno, come on, you are drunk. Cassio, drunk? Mondeno asking, are you drunk? Then Cassio telling, drunk? No, I have not drunk. Iago, away I say, go out of my grain. Nay, good lieutenant, God's will, gentlemen, help, ho, Lieutenant Sir Mondeno. Iago makes a scene here. His aim is to catch Cassio under the sight of Othello, put him in trouble. So, understanding the situation, what did our Iago does? Iago make a troublesome scene. Ho, 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 there is a problem, like, help master, here is goodly watch indeed. Who is that rings the bell? Diabolo, ho, the town will rise, good lieutenant, hold, you will be shamed forever. After listening this type of troublesome, quarrelsome sound and noise, Othello now appearing. Othello, what is the matter here? What problem? What is the matter here? This is a night where people want to celebrate, but you are quarreling. Why? What is the problem? Mondeno, zoons, I bleed still. I am hearted to death. I also got a fight. I was there to separate Cassio and Rodrigo. They were fighting. Iago, hold, Lieutenant Sir. Mondeno, gentlemen, have you forgot a place of sense and duty? Hold, general speaks to you. Hold and shame. Othello asking, why now? Why, how now? From whence arise these? What is the problem? From where this quarrel broke out? എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് ഇത് സംഭവിച്ചത്? എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത്? പറയൂ. Othello was struggling. Are we turned Turks? You know, Turkish people already went away. Again you are fighting against like Turks. Ourselves to that which heaven forbid Ottomans. You are acting like our enemies. You are acting like our enemies. And what for Christians shame? Put thy barbarous brawl, he that strikes next. Carve his own range, holds his light. He dies upon his motion, silence the dreadful bell, frightens isle from the propriety. That matter masters honest Iago, that looks dead of the serving speak. Or the Lord does not want to take any report from anybody else. He wants Iago, come here. I know you are a honest man. Tell me what really happened. ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത്? ആരാണ് ഈ വഴുക്കുണ്ടാക്കിയത്? ആരാണ് ഇത്രയും നോയ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്? ടെൽ മീ Iago, I trust you. You can report me. Speak. Who began this? Means who began this quarrel? ആരാണ് ഈ പ്രശ്നം ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്? പറയൂ. Thy love I charge thee, I give orders. You report. Iago, I do not know, friend. I do not know, friend, but all now, even now, in a quarter, and in term planet and unwitted men swords out, tilting one at other's breast, in opposition blood. I cannot speak. I cannot easily report what is the matter here happened. Any beginners to peevish odds, I would action glories I had lost. The begs that brought me part of it. Sir, I cannot easily report what really happened because those people participate in the quarrel are both equal to me and they are dear to me. How came it? Michael, you were thus forgot? Othello asking, okay, Cassio, you are in charge of the place. You are the total responsible person in the area. You report me what really happened. Cassio, I pray you pardon me. I cannot speak. I cannot tell me, Lord, what really happened. Othello, worthy Montano, you were on the civil. Montano, Iago cannot tell. Cassio cannot tell. Then Montano, you tell me what really happened. Worthy Montano, what is civil gravity, sullenness of your youth, the world has not. Your name is great, in mouth of wise to censure. What is the matter? You tell me what is the real matter. That you unlace your reputation, thus spend that your lace in the reputation this and spend your rich opinion for the name of a night brawler. Give answer to it. What really happened in this night? Who really fought against this? Who are the culprits behind this? You tell me, Montano, because you are the mighty blower. You should give me answer to it. Otherwise, I have to take action against the people. So what Othello wants to know? Othello wants to know who is the real beginner of the quarrel. What was the reason behind quarreling? You should report. Cassio is there, Iago is there, then Montano is there. But nobody is really coming forward to report Othello. Then what Montano says, let us see and wait what is going to happen. See in the next class.